What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I thought I would put out a video earlier than I normally do today on this channel. And the reason being is because one of these positions that we are seeing in the crypto market is absolutely moving. And I wanted to kind of go into what it is, and the fact that it is moving, and go over the position and where the potential actually is, because I know some people are probably rushing into this, and if you want to, it's not a horrible idea to do so, but I think there's people making a mistake on how much they're actually investing in on something like this, and I want them to learn from this, and hopefully they don't learn the hard way, they learn the simple or easy way. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. And don't forget about my credit card channel. I will put that up in the cards if you guys are interested to get an understanding of credit cards, credit card bonuses, credit card churning, and all things rewards. Feel free to check out that channel. I have one video per weekday, Monday through Friday. And, feel free to give me some suggestions if you want to know about some things when it comes to credit cards. Now, the position I wanted to talk about was Loom Network. This was in the trending list as we were going through the live stream today. And, a moderator of mine brought it up again and said that things were really moving. It was looking like there was a lot of upside within this position. And I said I wanted to look at it closely. So I'm going to talk about what I'm looking at when I'm looking at this. It doesn't mean you need to follow my strategy. No, because I might not get into the position because it may not be within my strategy to do so. And you have to stick to your strategies if you find success within investments. So anyways, Loom Network, if we take a look at the position, it's currently up 177% over the last month. If we look at I can't speak today, I'm stuttering all over the place because I'm excited. If we look at today, we're up about 57%, up to 11 cents today, which is fantastic to see, while the projections of this have been, it's been blowing these projections just completely out of the water. If we look at the market cap, we're at $133 million market cap. So it definitely has a lot of upside here when it comes to getting to billions and 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, all those other levels, right? If we look at the volume, it's up 26%, seeing $329 million worth of volume. The market cap ratio right now is at 253%. That is fantastic. It shows a lot of popularity, a lot of interest into the position, and it's definitely something that we're seeing that today, especially when you look at a market that's slightly flat, right? Slightly down, slightly up. It's currently at 0.4% increase for the whole market at a $1.06 trillion market cap. But the Loom Network is up 58%. So now everybody knows that watches my channel and watches my content, you know that I am not a fan of investing into a position that's up a hell of a lot. I'm not a FOMOer. I don't like FOMOing into something because it provides so much of a downside, because the decrease could be massive, and we could see it continue to skyrocket, continue to grow, but I'm willing to take that risk, right? Because if you have $100 that you're going to risk here to turn it into so much more, that's a difference between doing $1,000 and maybe even turning it into something less, or technically potentially gaining more, right? So the risk is very high for it to come back after it's already increased by 60%. So, and then you look at it even with a further view, 10,000 foot view, 100,000 foot view, whatever, and you see it's up even more. So again, up 60% over the last day, up 145% over the last week, and then in the last month, up 180% in the last month. So we know that this has really, really been moving. And as you see something like that, you just want to get in. You're like, oh, I want to FOMO. I want to buy into it because it could be the next thing to blow up. And you're right. It could be the next thing that blows up. But a lot of times it will not be, right? It will pull back, and then you'll see a significant loss in that position if it doesn't have something that holds steady. Now, this looks like something that could potentially hold steady, meaning that if you are going to risk something, I would say risk 10% of what you were willing to risk. Don't sit here and put everything into it. Now, I said this in my live stream today when it was at 8 cents, and now it's at 11 cents. So maybe some people got in, maybe some people didn't. But if you did, hopefully you were able to take some sort of profit at this point, because it is up a lot. From where we talked about it in the live stream, even to where it is right now, and it could continue to run. That's what we don't know. What we don't know makes it very, very interesting. And if people are willing to risk something, it doesn't mean that they're risking the entire bank, but it could potentially play out well for you. But the risk of it going south is far greater than the risk of it, obviously increasing a hell of a lot. So anyways, it is up to about 11 cents today, and you're seeing a lot of volume that's going through it in the last day or so. I did want to see if anything was, DEX volume, but let's understand what, Loom is. So here's the price predictions that they do have for Loom, and we're going to go through what that is and why it made it interesting. Scroll down here. What is Loom Network? Loom Network is a platform as a service that enables developers to build large-scale decentralized applications, dApps, built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. The Loom platform allows application developers to gain access to powerful smart contracts and other capabilities without relying on on-chain performance. This enables applications to have more efficient and cost-effective trials for onboarding users or running tasks that don't require the full security of a blockchain. The Loom network is designed with security in mind and employs a ZK Loom protocol for efficient blockchains, which provides enhanced levels of privacy and scalability. All transactions are verified by Ethereum's network consensus mechanism, so that users can trust their data remains secure even in situations where they may not trust each other. This helps streamline the user experience while still maintaining good security practices. The platform also allows developers to access APIs developed by third parties which aren't on chain, as well as access advanced scaling solutions like Plasma, which can increase transaction speed throughout the network. The Loom is the native token of Loom Network. Loom Network also provides unique features such as fast and low transaction costs, interoperability with other blockchains, and secure data storage. So here's price predictions for Loom and what they have. 2023, they say a max price of 43 cents, which 43 cents, just giving you an understanding, as you do have, a market cap of 1.2 billion, you would be basically looking at half of that. A total supply of 1.2 billion, currently seeing a $130 million market cap. They're basically saying that this is going to get to a 40 or 50 or 400 or $500 million market cap, which is not absurd. Especially for something that has a lot of promise, a lot of popularity, like what this is showing with $330 million worth of volume. They also say in 2024, 68 cents, 2025, 94 cents, 2026, 1.2, 2027, $4, all the way down to 2050 at $13.54. Again, this is predictions based off of history and based off of understanding what Loom Network could be. Now, they have all the different predictions broken down here. Let's just go through 2023. Many experts believe that Loom Network will be one of the most amazing cryptocurrencies to rise this year. As per price prediction, we are expecting at a minimum price of Loom to stay around 43 cents or 44 cents as the crypto market starts to recover its value. Loom coin price prediction is anticipated to reach an average of 38 cents in 2023. However, the crypto market experiences major bearish trend. We can expect to have a minimum price value of 33 by 2023. So again, it makes it very, very interesting because it shows a lot of upside for a ton of people because they're showing the price predictions as very aggressive compared to what you've seen in the past. With other positions, you'll see price predictions somewhere in the range of, let me go back here just so I can get here. You'll see other predictions in the price range or a percentage range of like maybe 10% or 20%. They're not looking for 100, 200, 400% increase from where we are right now, right? Up to 40 cents. That's basically what you are seeing. So, anyways, let me know what you think about Loom Network. Do you feel the same way? If I'm talking about me and what I'm doing, I don't typically invest into positions as they are rapidly increasing, but I do like to get my feet wet in position. So if I am going to make any type of a move into it, it would be probably the bare minimum of a move, not to max out what I can gain from it. Because yes, if you put $1,000 into it, it could potentially turn into $4,000, but it could also turn into $400. Like that's what you don't want to have happen. You want to find the best price opportunity, especially if you can lower your cost basis, because the bull market is not here yet. I don't believe it's here yet. We're not seeing the overall market run. So if that's the case, you're going to see the end to this push. And yes, you probably want to get a little foot in the door. Maybe it's to buy with $100 worth. But then as you see the pullback, because you know the pullback's coming, you now can invest your full $1,000 or whatever into that position as you see the opportunity to do so. So for me, I don't know if I necessarily see an investment right now, but if you wanted to get your feet wet, please do it carefully. Don't do it and put 100% of what you want to invest. I don't want to see that, and I don't want to see anybody get hurt. I don't want to see anybody get upset about what's happening here. But Loom Network is making a move today with a lot of increase over the day, a lot of increase over the month, and then a lot of volume that we've seen over the last 24 hours. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.